Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix clock app in navbar in Samsung A17. If you're using Samsung A17 and you're having an issue for your clock app in navbar, so let's see how can you fix that. First of all, you just have to open your settings, then scroll down and go for apps. From here, just look for clock app, and here just have notifications. And here you have to make sure that you have enabled all that notification, which I have. After enabling all notifications, just go back, go for main settings, and here go select notifications, and here select lock screen notifications, and here you must have to select show content if your pro- problem is still having and your clock app is not still working. Just select show content. So after that, your problem will be fixed and you can easily use your clock app in navbar on Samsung A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.